Well, we made it to Baps. Kinda in one piece. No, we're in one piece. But there's a long line. So we're a little early. There's Rick Lefevre.
Big money.
Big money.
Big money Rick.
He's out in the road because we can't get in.
Yep.
But there's a lot of people waiting to get in. They should open the gates up already. Blue sky, clouds.
We got 3 minutes.
3 minutes. There's some movement up there. There's a rig moving.
Honeycrisp looks so cute.
Pony bear.
Nope.
Okay.
What do I know?
Next step, get in the pits. Hi, I'm Billy Dietrich, sprint car mechanic and driver. I've been around racing my whole life and it's pretty much all I know. We created this channel to share the good and the bad and everything in between. Our crew may not be the most experienced or professional, but we get it done and we have a good time doing it. We'll show you what it's really like racing weekly at some of the best tracks in central Pennsylvania. I'm also going to share some sprint car tutorials, mechanics, parts, and whatever else I feel like. So like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And enjoy the ride. Yeah, boy.
Driver switch.
Buddy.
Have to open the trailer and check that down.
Where's my wristband? Where is it?
So damn pretty.
Come here.
Come here. Get out of
Give me
here.
some sugar. I'll kiss you. I'm not scared. Chase Dietz will kiss you.
I'm scared
Look,
though.
Chase Dietz will kiss you.
Hey, get this thing
I'm
apart.
sorry,
Let's go.
Jesus. So, how's your summer been? You doing all right? Look like you lost a little bit of weight. I mean, I'm not coming on to you.
I need to
I'm
pack
just
it
saying.
on now.
Shit. I'll give you some of mine. Just saying. Why does everybody keep walking froze?
Nate, why are we going so slow? Nate, just sorry, drive away. Oh my gosh.
Sorry.
We got Cooper, Seth, and Bill, and little Honeycrisp.
The dog. Oh, this kid's waving.
Oh, he's cute.
Can I blow the horn?
Yeah.
Nate.
Stop.
waving. I don't know. What do you want me to do? Just give him the finger?
This is such a bad idea.
Let Nate drive. Look, they're coming to get us on the golf cart. He's waving and behind me.
Don't run in, Nate.
Should I pull over? Heather, put your drink down.
No, shut up. I don't even have a drink.
All right, so go around to the back here.
To the left and around or to the right?
Go straight.
It's a good idea.
White spot. He's special. There they go. Not sure about this.
All right, well, leave it to Janet to actually pay attention. It's actually pouring. We're just all chilling in here. Bill just went to the driver's meeting. It was so beautiful. Like 10 minutes ago, we were just waiting to get started. Just wait. Well, that's not good. Hopefully it'll stop. Look at this guy.
Baps update. Time for driver's meeting and it's raining. It's fucking raining hard. Oh my gosh. Is it raining over there? A little bit of rain. Hey Ronnie, you getting wet? This is great. Oh! What's
Is
that?
driver's meeting over?
No, it didn't start yet.
Oh, it didn't start yet?
We're just on the front stretch.
All right.
It's raining.
Yeah, you thinking about the
What do you think about this weather?
Dude,
It's fucking
it
great.
ain't Mexico, I'll tell you that.
Is it raining? But you're pretty.
I hope you have the wide angle on. You're that close to my face.
Okay, weather report from Heather. How's it going over there?
I looked, there's nothing on the radar, and it said the rain's not supposed to go for 12 more minutes. So that makes no sense.
Well, if I look over here, there is some blue sky over there. How's the food?
Great. Meatballs can be a little warmer, but they're still getting hot. They're done.
All right, meatballs, macaroni, and sunshine.
Who the hell would want that?
What we got over here?
Look at that.
48.
What the hell? Who is that?
I don't know who that is.
I can show you what's better than that right here. This is what you need. Right there. That's what you need.
So we're over at this auction. So silent auction, right?
Well, I don't know how silent it is, but
So you bought tickets.
yep.
17 tickets for 20 bucks.
You had to pick a number right on the back.
So I drew a 52. Of course, Nate draws his favorite number. So it was a bunch of baskets. So we're
Don't
gonna
touch my trucks. I'm winning those.
don't pay attention to him. So we're gonna try and win something today. So here's the format today. We're doing a timed hot lap against your heat race group. So we drew a 31, I think it was. So I'm in the third heat race group. So they're gonna push each heat race out. I guess we'll probably split them in half. And you'll get 2 or 3 green flag laps. We gotta go to the infield way, and then they'll push us back in after that. They didn't say at the driver's meeting how the lineup would be after time trials. I don't know if it's heads up. I think maybe it used to be an inversion of 4, I think. And then the top 2 redrew for the feature. So third hot lap group time trials. I think we're good. I think the rain's out of here for now, so I'm ready to rock and roll. As long as the weather holds out, we'll be just fine. So when where it's at?
Well, yeah, y'all go down and have a hole one. Fitz Mary. Yeah, you're gonna want all that on the drive and the rear wheel.
Timed hot lap observer. We ended up second in our group of 10. Had a pretty good lap. 1 and 2 is just kind of scary, wet. I think everybody was struggling. The track actually got faster as the groups went on. The last group of time trials was faster than everybody else. So that's good. We should be in the front 2 rows of the heat race. Not exactly sure how we're going to line them up. So good start to the day. And we're just going to probably not do a whole lot to the car because the car's pretty good. So heat race will be next. I watched that last group of time trials. Super sportsmen, and it's definitely changing. So we got, if the sun stays out, it's going to dry out quick, and it's already hard, so it won't take much to dry it out. White's making changes.
White's not afraid.
White has 1 million horsepower too.
White's not afraid.
White's not scared.
He's coming from the back to the front.
Red hair blazing right by you.
Pretty uncomfortable today. I have hives all over my face. Also have them all over my back and up my neck and on my head. I've been on medicine for a few days, but I'm not sure that it is working. So just trying to like keep it together and ignore the itch. It's super itchy. And hopefully today I'll go quick and we'll have a good day and I can go home and get some pajamas and relax. That is the goal. Delayed again. We had our first delay earlier when it rained for a few minutes. So they pushed driver's meeting back about 45 minutes to an hour. And now someone just had a medical emergency in the porta potty over here. Hold on, national anthem. Okay, national anthem's over. So someone had a medical emergency in the porta potty over here in the pit side. They did have to take her out in an ambulance, so now we have to wait for another ambulance to come back. So just kind of in a holding pattern, I guess. Any idea how long usually it takes?
I'd say we're ready to go. They just did the national anthem.
So maybe they had another one on the way here when it was leaving or something.
I think they're calling them out in the first beat, so.
Perfect. So not too delayed on that one, just a little bit.
One thing after another today.
One thing after another. Yep. We thought we were gonna get out of here quick today, and it's not looking like that.
Good motherfucker. Take that.
All right, up in the stands here with my buddy Trenton. We're gonna watch the heat together. It's a little chilly, isn't it?
Yeah, it's chilly. The track is just low weight. It's gonna be fast, but hopefully Billy does a very
It's
good
very
job in
dusty,
the race.
very dirty. So I got my bejeweled glasses on that Lauren made me. Aren't they cute? Look,
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Lauren made them for me, so
hopefully-
never worn before.
Hopefully Billy does pretty good. Hopefully we pull off a good heat race right now. And hopefully he gets the checkered flag by tonight, so see what happens.
Spent 4
See what
years
happens.
behind.
mean, he qualified. I guess it's fine. I don't know.
But I seen you rolling the wing back every 2 to go.
Oh my God! Did we miss everything? What the hell?
All right, heat race is over. Third to fifth, third to left to rear, contact with another car. Pretty hard contact. I pulled it out of gear. I thought for sure something was bent, so I tried to jam back in gear, but wouldn't get back in gear, so I had to go to the rear. And drove back up to fifth, qualify. Had a good car, just uneventful heat race to say the least. So. We're in the show, so that's good. Could have been a lot worse than that. So. He even made contact with Dwight by accident. Twice.
Really, Bill?
I think the 55 too. Yeah. They were like sweeping up hard. You know, I had so much speed off the fourth turn that it's just racing. You gotta go for it.
All right, the bad news is I don't know how much of that heat race I got, but the good news is the case is not smashed under the glass. So, once I get this changed, we will be good to go for the feature, and I got backups over here, so I'm ready to go. Get this thing fixed up. The actual camera's not broken either. Couldn't get it turned on, but the battery was just dying, so we're good. Change out. What are you working on there?
Well, something down against the brake rotor. Probably when we hit wheels, you see it chews it all off. So I got another rotor to put on there. Kind of odd. Could have been a rock. Could have been anything get in there.
Well, you know what? We are at BAPS, so weird shit's gonna happen.
Hit the caliper too. That's probably what happened. Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you're right. You qualified.
I qualified, so you just got to qualify and
To
then
save your time.
Right.
And you were second quick.
might be in a redraw. I'm not sure. I don't know about that. Since I was second, the fastest car in the heat race to qualify, I might be in a redraw.
Because he's out.
Yeah, he's out. Who knows?
All right, redraw.
7. Well, it could be worse, I guess. Who's up front there? Okay. There wasn't much left.
I mean,
I think 7 and 8.
at this point, I'm glad you qualified.
So redraw 7. That's good.
So you start 7.
We're 7.
Well, you thought you started 18th before, so that's better. Right, Cooper? I mean,
Second. I heard you. I heard right. You didn't have a tire block.
ready.
Alright, everybody, if you're watching, watch Billy, because if you guys are watching, watch out,
Wait,
everyone.
hold on a minute, Bill.
Billy's
Don't go
coming.
anywhere. Don't run me over. We just took a this. Four-wheeler ride to the grandstands. Why is it embarrassing?
Because it is. I got a wedgie from this already.
You got a wedgie.
I won't do anything bad because you're back there, Trey.
A number of top fives, and many of those second in fashion.
My butthole. Freezing.
Just as we're already supposed to be done. We're under open red and don't want it to be home 2 hours ago. The race went pretty green like the whole time, and then towards the end it's just
not anymore.
Caution after caution, and now there's a red. So
But Billy's okay.
I say somehow I feel like this is Bill's fault.
it's not. He wasn't even near him.
I just hope it's fun.
It's what?
It's always Bill's fault.
How much air is in that right rear? Bump it up to 8. Not bad. I'm all right. Yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty good. We were up to 4th, I think, at one point in time, and then right there, and then the caution come out, and then I got a little looser as the race went on, but then, let's see here, I passed somebody on the last lap, I think, maybe. Ended up 6th.
Dylan North.
So, I think you were pretty good the whole race. So,
You're fast.
everybody did a good job. What do you think?
Well, today we had some downs today, but guess what? We got the car back together. We had a good run in the future, but guess what? Next year, 2024, watch out, people. Billy's coming, and that's the bottom line, because Billy said so.
So, yeah. Anyway, you guys did a great job. We worked hard tonight. We had a little, at first, we fixed the car up. We did a good job. Really appreciate everybody chipping in. I want to thank my neighbors, Dwight, Chris, Frank, being happy neighbors that are here. But I'll thank all my sponsors. I appreciate all of you. You know who you are. And all the fans, you guys are great. One more race left this year, back here at Maps in a couple weeks. So fingers crossed we get some good weather. We'll be back here in a few weeks to wrap up the season. Thanks everybody. See you next time.
We're going to see if Cooper does it right this time, Heather. No, hold on before I do this. Are you ready? What's wrong? You touched my private part. He said private part.
Stop touching his no-no square, Nate.
I said no homo way before we even started.
That doesn't always erase your action. You touched his junk.
It doesn't always erase your action.
It's like saying, I'm sorry for what I'm going to do.
I mean this with all respect. You suck. I didn't whack it, I coddled it.